Mopar for Life here. Today is June 23rd, 2020. I bring you to the channel today to show you something that, a little project I've been building over the last few weeks. Got the idea from a recommendation on YouTube. And as I turn to my left here, what you see here is a solar water heater. This is something, I just wanted to build. I thought it was pretty cool. For all you survivalists out there, you've probably seen this before, and I'll probably already have one, if not something better. This is your basic solar water heater per se, but seen the video one night, went to Home Depot the next day, picked up the parts, came back, start putting it together, the wood and stuff like that, started formatting out, getting all the dimensions correct. Kind of left it there for a few weeks. It wasn't until today, this morning, I had a few hours to spare. Obviously, as you know, if you've been following my channel, I've got pepper plants and then tomatoes, potatoes, right here, some more potatoes, and then more over there on the end, but just been very busy with a lot of things lately. So, like I said, I had a couple of hours to spare. I put everything together from his parts list, followed the instructions to the T, changed up a few things based on things I've already had, so I didn't really have to purchase them, but nonetheless, this is how it is unfinished. I brought it out here because I needed to paint the copper tubing a satin black and then the background a satin black, then take it back inside and throw the glass encasing on it. The whole theory of operation is to hook it up to some type of water input, as far as like a water hose or a pump, maybe that's flowing from a river, from a river or a creek bed. But the water comes in through the copper tubing. Copper tubing pretty much sits encased in glass, pointed towards the sun. As the water goes through, it heats up, comes out the other end where you see the water there. And the facts is, from his channel and the various other channels for people who have built this, you are supposed to get anywhere from like 165, 175 degrees. I don't know that yet, but that's why I'm here today, to show you what I got here. And then hopefully I can complete this in the next few days or so, and show you some results to see if I can achieve what they have achieved. So pretty much it for today. Am I missing anything? I really don't know. Sorry if I am, but pretty much it for today. I'll be back on in a few days to show you the completion of this solar water heater, give you a nice little close-up here. Pretty much a conversation piece. Don't know if I'll ever actually use it, but as with other things in my yard, as far as, if you've been following my channel, like I said, I've got the windmill right there. I got a vertical windmill over there, pretty much built out of junk spare parts that I've put together over time. But pretty much find some enjoyment from doing stuff like that. I call it backyard art. So got this. We'll be putting it together, completing it in the next few days. I will update you guys on it. This is Mopar for Life saying peace out. Hope you enjoy. Thumbs up, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Feel this. For $250.
What? Ow. $250 for this.